Hello guys, in this video I explain why garbage collector destroy on the engine. For example, we have a 3D engine. We have an input point. It's on scene or game. For example, I thought this as a SCN or simply SCN. I think the engine passes scene. Here's data on net framework. But everything is correct? No, it's not correct. The engine send data on the vision garbage collector. At garbage collector sent that. And after garbage collector, data sends in that framework. And in operation system. In my PC is a Windows 7. I think garbage collector say data allocate memory for precious data and store. I think we should start collecting and he start hand on the cast program to net framework for some milliseconds, and after another garbage collector you allocate memory and collect garbage, here start collection. But I think garbage collector allocate memory. Here is not here. I say here stop for seconds collection to net framework, but I think it's going to last it. We have a micro freeze. Yes, its freeze is not critical, but in some case its freeze is very lagging. For simple users and professionals. For launches, we need to not use a garbage collector. For this, we use arrow pointers. Arrow pointers is selected types. Is a type of one with star. For example, we got a simple channel. Yes, it's a simple channel with size of 10 bytes. Just pointer. It's one the same garbage collector and garbage collector C. Just pointer not uncountable and same raw in net framework and Windows 7. Yes, it's a disable microfreeze on this code. Especially the Windows it's very critical. For correctly visible of our frames. For engines, garbage collector can unlock 0 bytes of memory. But no games is a garbage collector as non-garbage collector friendly. And you can see garbage collector on collect. For example, go in simple program. For example, run simple program. Running Here's gonna some freezes. And video can freeze at this moment. Just wait. Go. Я уж когда memory can. I still can see it. But trying is just actually much better on. For example, go in with something new. And go up. For example, efficient arching just is the bug founder. Was found the bug data. Yes, it is the bug data. The bug data need for the bug menu. Data stored in the work folder until we end the frame. I explained in the tutorials. I explained what is in the frame. But why is why garbage collector is cheese? You can see cheese, the string, many the strings, very many the strings. And just those things create new shape in garbage collector. And garbage collector allocate no memory. And I finished this window deal. Garbage collector starts every second of allocate a new megabytes of memory. And megabytes of allocated memory go up. And finishes. So you can now use the string. And this on this string builder. And with special algorithm get our characters. Our characters. This very serious with us. This is same. I find debug menu. Okay, as a debug menu. Then the garbage collector. He pass this style and reliable allocation of memory and memory allocation up for 0 bytes 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 and infinity before Windows 7 not possible for memory economy. For preventions, we need to use arrow pointers. Know the minimum count of those things and normal garbage collector usage. Okay, yes, I explained yes, and saying in our tutorial and I share expectations.